Alright, what I'd like to show you here is our 514 cubic inch of Ford big block. One awesome engine. Like I said, I build this motor from one variety of horsepower to another, never changing the quality of parts as we go. I just happen to do some techniques with the camshaft and stuff to make the horsepower that the individual is looking for. So as you see here, we have this gorgeous motor. This customer happened to choose a black block with red wires. Fantastic motor. If you want to go into the spec sheet, you'll see. I'm going to fire this up and give you a little run demonstration. Pretty wild little motor. We even have stock exhaust manifolds on here. Come on, is there anybody else? Remember,